Good afternoon everyone, my name is Akshay and today I am here to talk to you about pathologies related to endocrine system, and mainly I am going to talk about pituitary gland. So why do we talk about pituitary gland especially in pathologies of endocrine system? That is because pituitary gland is known as the master gland. And so if any pathologies that happen to pituitary gland can actually affect all our glands outside in the body. And there are three main types of damages or disorders that can happen to the pituitary gland. That is, either there is an ectopic foci which produces the same hormones as other pituitary gland hormones, or if there is a tumor that can induce pressure into the pituitary gland, squeezing out all the hormones into the bloodstream, or there can also be trauma or some external factors that can also squeeze out these hormones outside. So there are two main things that can happen in this kind of disorder. One is either increasing the amount of pituitary hormones or decreasing in the amount of pituitary hormones. So we know that pituitary gland is divided into two types. There is neurohypophysis and adenohypophysis. And adenohypophysis has 6 hormones that control other hormones, and there is also neurohypophysis which has oxytocin and vasopressin. And any kind of disorders that can happen into this can actually induce the effect outside. I'll give you an example, especially for growth hormone. If our body produces or secretes more amount of growth hormone, we call it as gigantism, and one of the main symptoms of this is increasing in the size of a body, especially unrelated to the age. So if a person should have a normal height in a particular age, in people with gigantism, their height is rapidly increasing compared to other people in their own age group. And they also have symptoms like acromegaly, cardiomegaly, and other kind of things. And if this growth hormone is decreased in these kind of patients, we call them as dwarfism people, or the people affected with dwarfism. And for these kind of people, their height and other organs in their body actually have smaller size compared to other people in their age groups. So this is also a disorder.